Welcome everyone to this video. You are going to learn how to start affiliate marketing business for $7. Yes, $7 price of a Starbucks. So if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing or want to have something that works, then stay tuned to this video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Lewis Davies. I've been online for 6, 7, 8 years now, and I have been doing affiliate marketing. I'm from the UK. I've traveled the world, and I'm all about freedom. And just sub to this channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, because you are going to learn exactly how to build a business in this video and future videos to come. I'm going to show everything you need. Stop paying the gurus 10 grand and start just watching these videos and implement, and you're going to see results, guys. So like I said in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start affiliate marketing business for $7 right now. Okay, the link is in the description box. If you want to skip the video and go straight to the link, then you can do so. But carry on watching this video. Gotta give you some cool bonuses at the end as well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you through over to the Freedom Breakthrough. This is the back office. Okay, so you need to click the link below and get started. It's going to be $7. I'm going to say it straight out there, but it's going to probably be the best investment you're going to make. And if you can buy a Starbucks coffee, you can buy this. Invest in yourself, start building your knowledge, and then we'll start building your wealth. So over here is the Freedom Breakthrough Affiliate Blueprint Academy, and below is the 3-day challenge breakthrough. Okay, and in the 3 days we are going to show you, Jonathan is going to show you how to build a affiliate business from scratch in 3 days. This guy is a beast. He's been online for like only a year and he's quit his job, 6-figure earner, absolute beast. But you'll see that in the video when you click the link below. So what you need to do is get involved, $7, and go straight here. Okay, 3-day business breakthrough, day 1, day 2, day 3. All you need to do is those 3 trainings. Day 1, he is going to show you how you can implement the 3-step system to make daily commissions. He is going to show you the exact formula that took him from a 9-to-5 job to quitting in 9 months. This is the power of this. Okay, for $7, I would pay hundreds of dollars to learn that formula. Day 2, he's going to show you how you can build a business in 30 minutes. Exactly the same steps he has done to launch his business. He'll show you, go have homework, you go see the funnel, you go get bonuses. Okay, you go get everything you need to set up. And day 3, he's going to show you exactly how he got traffic and customers to his system, which you can implement as well. And you can learn this knowledge and implement it in any niche. Okay, guys. So this is the power of it. Freedom Breakthrough is something I stand by, because it's real training. No hypey, BS, no fluff, no crap. Just real knowledge from real people. And to take it a step further, if you join and then get into the main course, okay, which is the Freedom Breakthrough course, you're going to get all this. Okay, how to find your perfect affiliate niche, how to get the website asset, SEO mastery, the perfect funnel, email, all about email marketing, all about free traffic, all about high ticket sales with organic traffic, YouTube traffic, how to get free traffic in TikTok, paid traffic with Google, paid traffic with TikTok, paid ads with Facebook. Launch all this stuff, you're going to get involved. Okay, and that is on the Freedom Breakthrough course. So, but first I want you to go to the 3-day business breakthrough, take that challenge, and if you're really serious, go to the Freedom Breakthrough course. Okay, and it's go quick start you to making success with an affiliate marketing business. So I want to take you back to my YouTube channel. If you want to see the whole review, you can go here. You see exactly, okay, in here. But you can use this whole product, and you can use this tactic here in this video here to start getting sales really quickly to it as well. But this is just a quick video. This is basically showing you how to start affiliate marketing business for $7. I don't want to go on for too long, okay? But I've shown you the inside of it, shown you the back office, I'll show you what you go get, and it's the real deal. If you're struggling with affiliate marketing, if you want to start affiliate marketing, and you want a team to help you, then we are here, and Jonathan is here. You're going to be invited to as a bonus, a free private group. Message me. When you get started, the 7-day, I'll go send you a ton of free training that I normally send to my high ticket clients, but I'm going to send it to you, which shows you how to get started really quickly and how to get earning with your first 30 days. It's a bonus, but I want to give it to you. I want to, reward the action takers. So, guys, this is a simple step. You might be thinking this is going to be a very long video, but we go use this done for you. We go use this product. You go get the knowledge and you go get up and running in 3 days. Okay, this is the power of it. So click that link below. Hit the sub button because more videos are coming that are going to help you. My next video is all going to be about traffic, how to get traffic in many free ways. Okay, so make sure you hit the sub button and hit the bell button to get notified. And let's get you winning.